Hello, it's Cassie here with Trinity Stamps, and I am so excited to be sharing a product release video for the June Trinity 3rd birthday party release. Now let's take a closer look at the brand new Special Delivery Stamps and Dies. Special Delivery is a 5-piece stamp set that features an adorable bear as a mail deliverer. This set coordinates with our Cozy Bear series. A coordinating die set is available separately. And this coordinating die set perfectly cuts all 5 images and sentiments included in the Special Delivery 3x4 stamp set. Now let's go ahead and make a quick card. So I have a piece of cardstock that measures a little bit smaller than 3x6, and I am going to tack down the Good Morning Sunshine stencil over the top, and then I'm going to go pretty heavy-handed by blending for the first one. This is a 2-layer stencil. And I'm not too concerned about the bottom portion of this cardstock because it will get covered with other layers. So I'll peel that back, and then I'll take the second layer and line that up and tack that down, and then I'll use the same ink but go much lighter. So that way we get a variation in the color for the sun rays. And once that is done, we'll peel that away and we'll pull out some die cuts that we made using the Slimline Scenic Borders. And I'm going to attach those. They don't go perfectly together on top of each other, but it's okay. I kind of like that. And then I'm going to attach this down to our mini slimline panel, just at the bottom. And then we'll bring in our Tim Holtz guillotine trimmer to trim off all of the excess. This way I can ensure that I have a nice straight line cut on all those edges. Flipping it around. And then the last piece. And once that's completely trimmed, then we can start attaching our little special delivery pieces. That bear is so cute. And we have our little mailbox, and then our little pup who's carrying a letter to the mail as well. We also have the words Special Delivery and Happy Mail. So I'm going to put Special Delivery at the top. We'll put our pup down. Once our little pup is attached, I'm going to grab a gray Copic and just put a little bit of shadowing underneath them so that it doesn't look like they are just floating on that gray cardstock. And then we'll attach this to our card base. Our card base measured 6x6 and was scored at 3 inches. So it is a mini slimline. And then as a final bit of embellishment, after I attach Happy Mail to the inside, I've pulled out the Love Letters clay embellishments, and I'm going to attach those down using our brand new Trinity Stamps tool, along with some liquid glue. I love those little letters with the wings. And then once that is done, that's going to finish off our card. So let's go ahead and take a look at what others on the design team made for you, some adorable cards. And then be sure to check out the Trinity Stamps blog, Facebook page, and Instagram for more crafty inspiration. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope you have a great day.